If you're serious about growing on Instagram, I need you to forget everything you've been told. The game has changed, and what worked last year isn't going to cut it anymore. Hashtags? Forget them for now. Likes? Nah, vanity metrics aren't a thing anymore. And posting a few times a week? That's not enough. But don't worry, today, I'm going to give you a detailed, step-by-step blueprint to not just grow your Instagram fast but also turn it into a real income stream. This is about working smarter, not harder. We're going to dive deep into the strategies, tools, and mindset shifts you need to make this happen. So, grab a notebook, because we're getting into it right now. Step 1. Stop using hashtags until you reach 10K followers. Hashtags can be a double-edged sword. They can boost your reach, but they can also get you shadow banned, especially if you're under 10K followers. A shadow ban means your posts won't show up on hashtag feeds, and it's much harder to grow when Instagram is working against you. So, what should you do instead? Focus on content that resonates. Create posts that your audience can't help but share. When your followers share your content, that's free organic reach, no hashtags required. Here's how you do it. Know your audience, dive deep into who your followers are. Use Instagram Insights to see what posts they're engaging with. Are they more into motivational quotes, detailed how-tos, or behind-the-scenes content? Tailor your content accordingly. Create shareable content. People share content that makes them look good, feel something, or solve a problem. Start incorporating more educational posts, quick tips, or powerful visuals. Content that triggers an emotion, whether it's awe, laughter, or inspiration, is more likely to be shared. Engage with your audience. Instead of focusing on hashtags, invest time in building relationships. Reply to comments, send DMs to new followers, and engage with other accounts in your niche. Instagram favors accounts that create conversations. Use Instagram Stories and Reels. These are the platforms within the platform. Reels, in particular, have massive organic reach right now. Create short, snappy videos that educate or entertain. If you're not comfortable on camera, use text overlays or visuals. Step 3. Choose a profitable niche. Choosing the right niche can make or break your Instagram success. A profitable niche is one with a dedicated audience that is willing to spend money. Here's how to choose yours. Identify your passion and expertise. You need to be genuinely interested in your niche because you're going to be creating a lot of content around it. List down your interests, skills, and what you enjoy talking about. Then, think about how these can solve problems for others. Research profitable niches. Look at what's trending on Instagram. Some examples of profitable niches include health and wellness, personal finance, digital marketing, and luxury lifestyles. Use Instagram search function to explore hashtags and accounts in these niches. Pay attention to engagement rates and the type of content that's performing well. Validate your niche. Check if there's a demand for your niche by looking at the competition. High competition can be a good sign, it means there's a market. But don't choose something too broad. The key is to niche down. For example, instead of targeting fitness, target fitness for busy moms or plant-based fitness. Differentiate yourself. Once you've chosen your niche, think about how you can stand out. What unique perspective can you bring? Maybe you have a unique style, a specific experience, or a particular way of presenting information. Lean into what makes you different. Step 4. Build a content strategy around your niche. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to build a content strategy that attracts followers and keeps them engaged. Content pillars. These are the main topics you'll post about regularly. For example, if your niche is fitness for busy moms, your content pillars might be quick home workouts, healthy meal prep, and self-care tips. Stick to these pillars to create a cohesive brand. Mix content formats. Use a variety of formats to keep your feed interesting. Share how-to guides in carousel posts, behind the scenes in stories, and quick tips in reels. Experiment with different formats to see what resonates most with your audience. Create a posting schedule. Decide how often you'll post each type of content. For example, you might post a reel every Monday, a carousel post every Wednesday, and a story every day. Consistency in format and schedule builds trust with your audience. Engagement strategy. Plan out how you'll engage with your audience. This might include replying to comments within an hour of posting, engaging with followers' content, or hosting live Q&As. Engagement is a two-way street. Don't just wait for people to come to you. Step 5. Monetize your Instagram through digital products. Once you've built an engaged audience, it's time to monetize. The fastest way? Selling digital products. Here's how to do it. Identify a problem you can solve. What challenges does your audience face? For example, if you're in the personal finance niche, maybe your audience struggles with budgeting. If you're in fitness, they might need quick workout plans. Your digital product should provide a solution. Create a digital product. This could be an ebook, a course, a set of templates, or any other digital resource. The key is that it should be valuable and easy to consume. Use tools like Canva to design ebooks or Teachable to create online courses. Keep it simple but effective. Build hype before launching. Don't just drop your product out of nowhere. Start by teasing it in your stories and posts. Use countdowns, sneak peeks, and early bird offers to build anticipation. You want your audience to be excited and ready to buy when it launches. Set up a sales funnel. A sales funnel guides your followers from being interested in your product to actually buying it. Start with a lead magnet, a freebie like a mini ebook or checklist that provides value and captures email addresses. Then, nurture these leads with email marketing, offering your digital product as the next logical step. Promote, promote, promote. Use every part of Instagram to promote your product. Mention it in your bio, link it in your stories, and dedicate posts to it. Don't be afraid to sell. If you've built trust with your audience, they'll appreciate the offer. Measure and optimize. After your launch, analyze what worked and what didn't. Did your audience respond well to a particular type of promotion? Use this data to refine your next launch. The beauty of digital products is that once they're created, you can sell them over and over again with minimal effort. Step 6. Long-term growth and sustainability. Growing on Instagram isn't just about hitting a follower milestone, it's about building a sustainable presence that continues to grow and generate income over time. Here's how to maintain and scale your success. Stay on top of trends. Instagram is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest features, algorithm changes, and trends in your niche. Use tools like Latest Blog or Social Media Examiner to stay informed. Collaborate and network. Growth doesn't happen in isolation. Collaborate with other influencers in your niche, participate in shout-out for shout-out exchanges, and consider cross-promotions. Networking can introduce you to new audiences and boost your growth. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one product or monetization method. Once you've had success with one digital product, consider creating more or branching into other revenue streams like affiliate marketing, membership sites, or sponsored posts. Outsource and automate. As you grow, you might find that managing your Instagram takes up too much time. Consider outsourcing tasks like content creation, editing, or customer service. Tools like Zapier can automate repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on strategy and growth. Keep evolving your brand. Your brand should evolve as you do. Keep refining your content, products, and messaging to stay relevant. Listen to your audience's feedback and be willing to pivot if necessary. Focus on building a community. The most successful Instagram accounts are those that build a loyal community. Engage with your followers on a deeper level, ask for their opinions, create content that addresses their concerns, and make them feel valued. When your followers feel like they're part of something bigger, they're more likely to stick around and support your endeavors. Plan for the future. Instagram is a great platform, but it's just one part of your overall business strategy. Consider how you can expand beyond Instagram, whether that's through building an email list, creating a website, or expanding into other social media platforms. The more diversified your presence, the more secure your business will be. Growing on Instagram and making money from it isn't easy, but it's definitely achievable with the right strategy. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Consistency, engagement, and providing value are your best friends in this journey. If you follow these steps and stay committed, you'll see your Instagram transform into not just a social media account, but a profitable business. So, are you ready to take your Instagram game to the next level? Start implementing these strategies today, and watch your growth skyrocket.